In order to assess the novelty of innovativeness of your topic, you have to do extensive literature search. And now I will guide you how do we do this. So there are different databases, and literature review is basically a purposeful and systematic review of information available on the topic of research through searching articles or information from books. Why do we do it? Because it helps us to know if this research has been done or not. And if it has been done, then what are the gaps in knowledge and what areas can we explore this topic further? And it helps us to refine our topic and objectives. And sometimes it gives us ideas for designing our study and designing our questionnaire. There are different databases and search engines: Medline, Pubmed, Google Scholar, ParkMedinet. So ParkMedinet is for Pakistani articles and Pubmed is for global articles. So first of all, I always go on Pubmed and I search there. And for Pakistani articles, I go on ParkMedinet. And Google Scholar is also helpful. It gives you information of more articles. And there's these are names of many other databases, so you can check on all these. And gray literature is unpublished, so it's also sometimes very helpful, like in case of studies topics like life skills education, which has not been published by peer-reviewed journals, and because many researchers have not explored this, and some NGOs have worked on life skills programs, and you can see their reports. So it's also important. So gray literature is not to be underestimated. I got help from gray literature when I was writing the scoping review on life skills education in Pakistan. UpToDate.com can give you information on latest statistics and prevalence of diseases. So if you are going to assess prevalence of a disease, first check on UpToDate.com if it's already, the stats are available or not. Now going to the detail of PubMed. How do we search here? So this is an interface of PubMed. And in order to do a smart searching on PubMed, you need to understand what are the field tags and mesh terms, what Boolean operators, what is phrase searching, and what are the limitations of PubMed. These are the field tags, and we'll see what all fields and mesh and title these can do. So mesh terms, basically they are the heading words recognized by PubMed in its database, also called as medical subject headings. So in every article, there are some keywords which are added by the researcher or the author. And there are some mesh terms which are recognized by PubMed for every article. So for every article, they recognize some 10 to 15 mesh words. And if the words are already in the database, it matches to those. And if it's not there, then annually PubMed revises this list of mesh database, and there somewhere around 26,000 subject headings in the database of mesh, in this list of mesh. How do we search using these filters? We have to search articles by writing a keyword here. So like I am writing here COVID-19. So I have searched using this keyword COVID-19. So you see here, so many results for this keyword and articles appearing with COVID-19. I can now use the field tags. So up till now, I have told you about mesh and title and all fields. So these are the three most common that I use. So mesh means articles in which COVID-19 has been recognized as a mesh word because maybe it was the focus of study. So such articles will start appearing, right? So these are the articles in which COVID-19 has been the focus of study. You will not see COVID-19 in the title of every article. Here it is in the title, here again, but here I don't see this in the title. Maybe it would be somewhere in the text, here again in the title. Now I want to get articles in which COVID-19 is in the title. So now I write here the field tag of title. So field tag is to be written within brackets and TI is for title. Now you will see articles start appearing with COVID-19 word in the title. You can see COVID-19 is in title of all these articles. Now I want to get studies in which COVID-19, this word can be anywhere in the title, in the text. It may be mesh or it may be the focus of study or may not be the focus of study. So COVID-19 word should be there. So I have written here all. Now you can see there articles are appearing with either it can be in the title or it can be in the text anywhere. So on this page, COVID-19 is in the title, and if you keep searching these all the results, you will see that in some studies, COVID-19 may not be in the title, and it would be somewhere present in the text of the article, right? So all means that this keyword it should be anywhere. It can be in title or it can be in text, but this word should be present in the article. By writing here TI, I would be giving command to Pubmed to give me articles with COVID-19 word in the title only. It should be must in the title. And by writing here mesh, I'm giving command to Pubmed to give me articles in which COVID-19 has been recognized as a heading because it was the focus of study. Right, so these are the field tags. So how you have learned how do we search on PubMed using these field tags.